How to fix Windows Defender service not found in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Windows Defender service not found in Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your run, or you can directly open up your registry editor as well. So after you're on run, simply type on regedit. After you do that, you will be on this page right here. So let me just close these folders. So let me just do that here before we begin. And now what you'll need to do after you're here is you will need to head over to HKey local machine. So just expand on HKey local machine, expand on software. After you expand on software, make sure that you expand on Microsoft. Now, all of these are arranged in alphabetical orders, so it's easier to find. After you open up Microsoft, you will then need to search for your Windows Defender. So simply scroll down until you find Windows Defender. So as you can see, all of these are arranged in alphabetical order. After you find Windows Defender, you will need to delete all of these. You can delete the entire folder. Just right click on it and tap on delete. After you do that, you'll then need to restart your computer and you're basically good to go and your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.